Welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking you on a vibrant journey into the world of one of nature's most colorful and charismatic creatures, parrots. Known for their brilliant plumage and remarkable intelligence, parrots are a delight to observe. Let's explore their captivating lives. Parrots belong to the order Psittaciformes, encompassing around 393 species and 92 genera. These birds are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes facing forward and 2 backward, perfect for gripping branches and climbing. And parrots are found in a variety of habitats, including tropical and subtropical regions of Central and South America, Africa, Asia, and Australia. While many species thrive in rainforests, others can be found in savannas, grasslands, and even arid zones. Their adaptability to different environments is one of the reasons for their widespread distribution. The vibrant plumage of parrots serves multiple purposes, from camouflage to attracting mates. Colors range from the brilliant reds and blues of the scarlet macaw to the subtle greens and yellows of the Amazon parrots. These feathers are not just for show. Their structure helps them remain waterproof and efficient in flight. Parrots have a diverse diet that includes fruits, nuts, seeds, and occasionally insects. Their strong beaks are adapted to crack open hard shells, allowing them access to nutritious food sources. Some species, like the kea from New Zealand, have even been known to scavenge and hunt small animals. Parrots are renowned for their intelligence and problem-solving abilities. They can mimic human speech and other sounds, a skill that helps them communicate within their flocks, and can also be used to ward off predators. Their social behavior is complex, involving intricate vocalizations and interactions that establish social hierarchies and bonds. Parrots are monogamous, forming strong pair bonds that often last for life. They nest in tree cavities, cliff sides, or burrows, depending on the species. After laying eggs, both parents usually participate in incubating and feeding the chicks. The young fledge after a few weeks, but remain dependent on their parents for several months as they learn essential survival skills. Despite their beauty and intelligence, many parrot species face significant threats. Habitat loss due to deforestation, the illegal pet trade, and pollution pose serious risks to their populations. Conservation efforts are critical to protect these birds, including habitat restoration, legal protection, and breeding programs aimed at reintroducing captive-bred parrots into the wild. Colorful, intelligent, and full of life, parrots are truly extraordinary creatures. By understanding and appreciating their unique characteristics and challenges, we can better support efforts to protect them and their habitats. Thank you for joining us on this vibrant journey. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, let's continue to explore and protect the incredible diversity of wildlife around us.